Mila and you're watching my channel One Color Food. Today I'm gonna cook red Tuna. As for the side dish, I'm gonna cook red rice, and as a main dish I'm gonna cook tuna, red tuna. So first of all, I'm gonna start with rice. Just for 1 cup of rice, use 3 cups of water. So add rice into hot boiling water. And add some salt and pepper. Cook it on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. And tuna, I'm gonna cook it on a grilled pan. Just add some salt on top of it. And a little bit of pepper. So I'm gonna heat pan and then add tuna. Use low heat and cook it for about from 5 to 7 minutes from each side. Seven minutes later, flip. Tuna is ready, as well as rice. Spread evenly on your plate. Just pour a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top of tuna as well as rice. And squeeze lemon on top of tuna. Dinner is ready. Look at the colors. Red Tuna is ready. It is perfect with red wine. So let's try it. It's gorgeous, wonderful, amazing. I highly recommend you to try to cook it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, leave your comments below and subscribe. And remember, cook with love and enjoy your meal.